Hey guys, today we're gonna take a look at this software right here that you can create your own logo. Well, it's simple, but not maybe that simple, so we're gonna take a look. I am actually not very familiar with this one either, but I wanted to bring it to your attention and mine since I was brought to this software by a friend of mine as well, so we will see what it can do. Let's start from the beginning. The functions are kinda resembling a Word document, if you know how those look. Here we have rectangles, ellipses, arrows, pen, pencil if you want to just write by hand, solid text, stroke text, text on path. That is actually really nice. Colors, the functions of colors with shades and fills and strokes. Effects, light angle, relief, kernel type, bevels, smoothness, depths. That's nice. There's more color stuff on the canvas here. And here's just to view objects, advanced tools, layers, and all that good stuff. But first, this is what grabbed my attention more than anything else. This part right here. You have objects, dockable of course. Okay, you have alphabet, animals. If you go to animals right here, let me put it a little bit bigger. We don't need this part here. And if you go down here, you can create a logo from some of these, for example. Let's say, I don't know. Let me put this one right here. I think it's double click. Yep, it is double click. Okay, let me open this back to where it was. I'll bring this one here. This one probably I'll put it inside there. And this one, let me put it this way. We're just gonna shoot here and see how it looks. So don't expect anything great and perfect and all that. I'm just showing you how it works and what does it have inside. All PNGs that your heart wants are in right here. From animals, we have the arrows. Another thing this would be great for is YouTube thumbnails. You can do that too. There's a lot of PNG files right here, or what you would call pictures without background. Here's banners. And it says you can click download here and somehow it goes to download to get more stuff, but I'm not gonna do it. Yes, I have the pro version. Here's the vector images or PNG, whatever you want to call, of ribbons, banners, brushes, curves. You can make a lot of stuff with these actually. For example, under the horse, what if we put one of these? Let's say right here. It's gonna come together, just give us a minute. Okay, these were we checked those. Paths, religion, shapes. Whoa, that's a lot of shapes. This is a lot that you can use here. Spheres, world, I guess. These are a lot of probably flags. As you see, since I'm in US, I'll put the American flag here. Let me see if I can put this flag. That would be here actually, but I would have to take this one out. This one may not be needed anymore. And let me put this a little bit higher. This one outside the circle. And let's put this probably here. I know, you can bash me if you want. Let me select all, direct selection of this here. Let's put it here. And I think this would be the best place to put corner to corner. This one right here and this one right here. I think this actually looks pretty good. Let's get out of here. Work, you can put stuff, I don't know what they consider work, but well, looks like kind of professional stuff. As you see, brushes and rolls and all that good stuff here. Swooshes, these are swooshies, and there's a lot of them. Structures, if you're a builder, for example, you can make your logo, your business card. This is not necessarily something that it has to stop at just what I'm doing here. You can do much more. You can use a lot of these files for websites too. Designer, that looks cool actually. It has those metal pieces here. They look really nice. Actually, I'm a little bit surprised with this one. I was not aware of this software before today, and obviously if I got it today, I'm gonna show it to you guys today without wasting time, because I can't wait every time. Look at that. So if you know what you're looking for, this is a fortune. This is a fortune, in my opinion. Wow, look at it, man. Look at that. So you don't need to run around the internet to find a million things and all that. You can just get it right here. Wow, this is actually beautiful. Really beautiful. I am liking it a lot. What else can we do here now? I don't know what to do because I'm just wasting my time and yours maybe if you don't want to watch it, because I'm only doing it to see how this works. And what else do we have here? For example, trees, apples, atoms. There's a lot of stuff. And I mean, but if we take this one, for example, and put the entire thing like this, if we remember how we had it, okay, and put it right here. Let me see how that's gonna go. We're just wasting minutes of our life right here. Okay, let me put this one a little bit lower. Let me twist it to put it back in here, and this one right here. So can I flip these over? This is definitely not a miracle what I did here, but it would be a logo. For who? Don't ask me because I have no idea. For example, pen. Does a pen write? For example, if I wanted to make it look like a signature, let me see here. Yeah, it does this kind of stuff. I am not really a big fan of that part. Solid text, for example. If I do solid text here, what would it do? Okay, and can I change the text font here? It doesn't seem like. And these are to view. Let me go. What does it mean? Text on path. Text on path. For example, can I do it here? Let me try. Okay. And we do text on path, and looks like it goes all around it, kind of circular. So I'm not really sold on this one. I would say I was not very happy with it. Let me put Omnitech, but choose, let's say, only this one here and put text on path. Okay. I don't know what it did here now. Warp text. Nope, none of these are actually working. So maybe I don't know what I'm doing with the text, or there's a problem with the text, because what I wanted to do was to put the text somewhere around here or under here. But anyway, we are just testing here. This is not something that I'm doing for a client or something. Oh, okay, never mind. Looks like we could have changed our text. Let me put it in solid, and let me put Omnitech, because we have the palette right here. Okay, so now I will put it in from Arial. What does it have anything by hand here? And I wish it had that this text written on the font that it is, so you can have it almost like a preview of what you're doing, but it unfortunately doesn't have that and doesn't do that. Let me put it right here. I'm not sure if this would ever work or pass anything. I think that's a better placement right there, I would say. But yeah, that's the maximum looks like that we can do here. So you can underline, you can do something else with this one. This is for the sharpness of the thingy here. Rotation, we did that already. Skew horizontal. Okay, so you can kind of change it a little bit. You can do almost what I wanted to do, but not the exact way. And it's not really accurate with grabbing the object exactly that you're looking for. As you see, I have to click a million times, actually get only one click or one hit on it. It's not bad by any means, but it's not the best. And yeah, this is kind of a logo that I just made, and definitely I'm not gonna use anytime soon. Yes, it would take more time to actually design the whole logo. That is why a lot of guys get paid good to make a good logo, because it takes time and it's not as easy as you might think. Yeah, I mean, you can go on Google and snatch someone else's logo and all that stuff, but that's not exactly creating your own logo. And to create your own logo, as you see, it takes some time. Yes, there's other software that you can do it, probably even better than this one, but this one is what I wanted to bring to your attention just in case you want to go take a look. It's called Olympia Logo Creation, and as you see right here, these are for updates about logo creation. Let me open it right here. I have the 1.77.30, and yes, this is their website, olympiacreation.com. And yes, these are all vector-based logos and graphics. And for you that know, you know, vector graphics are just pictures that are transparent. You know, when you want to make a YouTube thumbnail that you're searching for PNG files sometimes, well, that's what all these files right here are. And with that said, I just hope you like this video, and yeah, this is not exactly a political logo. Don't vote for Omnitech, I will not be there. With that said, again, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something, and I hope you liked it. Please hit like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye!